Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2009 Honda CBR600RR. This middleweight sport bike just arrived with only 13,696 miles. Beautiful black and red finish, inline 4-cylinder, 600 fuel injected, liquid cooled. It's got adjustable anodized levers and adjustable rear set foot pegs, brand new tires, gorgeous bike. Come on by and make your super sport dreams come true with this beautiful Honda CBR600. Runs like a top, only $59.99. This bike is not going to be here long. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.